Today we are going to discuss some of the new features of Java 9. So what I am doing today is like the main feature of Java 9. I will discuss main features of Java 9, but I will not start with the main features discussion. I will directly go to one of the features that introduced in jshell. jshell is a command line utility where you can write Java code, run, and everything you can do, and you can basically it's a utility to check syntax and other kind of things in Java. So what I am going to do is I need to install jshell in my system. So if we are going to that Oracle documentation, we use the jshell tool to interactively evaluate declaration, statement, or expression. So that's a advantage for the jshell. So if you are using jshell, read, evaluate, print loop, that's a REPL. So command line operation separated by spaces. So we will start with the jshell command. So but for all of this we need to install JDK. So install JDK on Mac OS. Since I have JDK and that version is something old, because I just installed one version, but after that I found out it's Java version 1.8, so we need to change that. So I need to download Oracle Java version. So there are so many Java varieties available in the market. So what I am going to do is I need to find the Oracle Java version. So here I can use this one, Mac OS, DMG installer is there, so I can use this one. This is Java 19. So all the features that introduced in Java 9 will be available on this one. Since after Java 8 they are releasing frequently. Right now the version available right now is Java 9. Java 17 also available, but every 3 months they will start a new version right now. So I'm clicking on this incorrect installer. Okay, so I have some issues here. 64 ARM compress achieve. So probably this one. I don't know what is ARM. So it will take some time. So probably I will wrap up this video very quickly, and after that in next video we will going deep to the jshell interactive screen, and we will run some programs, and we will evaluate, we will print, we will do the looping. So right now I'm trying to install again. Continue, install, will ask for my password. So the password is the problem. Okay, it's installing, and then after installation I'm gonna move to bash, move to trash actually. So here I need to take terminal again. So I'm going to jshell. I don't know, this command is directly available here. We open jshell. So jshell version 19 for information type help. So we will start with help. Okay, here there are a lot of information. We'll go through some of these things. So the first thing we are doing, like int x is equal to 4. You don't need any semicolon. So it's saying like x is equal to 4. Then if you print x, it will print x itself. So you can use anything here. So whenever you are going in basic Java programming, we will do the hello world things, right? So here hello world, it will print hello world here, hello world. So that's for today, not today, that's all for this video. And next video we will add something else. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in next video if you need to know more about jshell. So I am